Portland-Hillsboro Airport. Automated weather observation 1215 Zulu. Wind 220 at 03. Visibility 10. Sky condition broken 9er 1000. Broken 12,000. Temperature 11 Celsius. Dew point 09er Celsius. Altimeter 29er 3. Remarks.
Fuel cap's down, fuel selector's good. Autopilot, let me check it. There it is.
Hillsborough traffic, Twin Cessna 86 Papa Delta's crossing 31 left on Bravo, Hillsborough.
Annunciator panels.
Boots are good?
Yep, they just popped on my side. Windshield ice, there's good. Attitude indicator, flight controls.
Good. Hi, good morning. We're Twin Cessna 86 Papa Delta on the ground in Hillsborough, holding short of 31 left. Ready to pick up our
heavy
clearance.
2300, climate 7000.
Clearance, clear to Reno, battleground J67, then as filed.
That's what we filed.
Yeah.
Okay.
But he did say battleground J67 up to 15,000.
Got it,
Thank
second
you.
armed.
230, 5 minutes, 18-1, and 3575. Okay, you got that. The green.
Red line, 35, ice of the runway, engine submits the green, 80 knots, cross check. Rotate. Positive rate gear up. Yaw dampener on.
6 Papa Delta, turn left, turn now, heading 110, join J67.
110 to join J67, 86 Papa Delta. 110 to join. So now our cabin is going to climb to 8,000 feet very slowly.
Okay.
So by the time we reach flight level 230, our cabin will reach 8,000. So our cabin VSI is only going to be like 200 feet per minute.
Yeah. These clouds are high.
Yeah.
Luckily they're smooth though.
I'm going to turn off the anti-ice. Do you feel good about that for now, or?
Yeah, I can't really see. I don't see a whole lot on the leading edge. Airspeed seems to be maintaining no problem.
I could pop the boots, but there's just not enough on there.
Yeah.
Okay, cow flap closed, landing taxi lights off, top of climb, audit, top of descent.
Delta 1344, passing 8.2 for 15,000.
So top of descent is going to be about 70 nautical miles, but we're taking the star. Stage cooling is going to be about 20 minutes. All right, my timer went off. I'm going to reset it and start it again. And engine instruments in the green.
Yep.
Fuel quantity verify. Got about, what is it, 140? 140?
Yeah.
Fire extinguisher check. Annunciator panels clear. Pressurization 8.3. Great delta. Circuit breakers in on my side. Visual.
On my side.
Yep. Wing looks good. Nacelle looks good. No oil.
Yep.
Fuel caps are in. Emergency airport. Let me go look.
Falls is pretty good.
What you got?
Climate Falls. We got a big airport there. They do a lot of military training there.
Yeah.
Good thing you got your heater over there.
Are you getting cold?
Oh, I mean your windshield heater.
Oh, right,
I guess
the
it's
defrost.
The defrost.
Yeah. I mean, we don't need it right now. It wouldn't matter to me if it iced over. But this one ices a lot. Look, this is
Oh yeah.
ice. Look at that. That's not icing. That is icing from the inside.
Yeah. Alright, I just want to look at this. Okay, GPS required. Cool, so it's an RNAV arrival. Intense glider activity of 180.
I did see that, yeah.
Probably not today though. Clouds?
There is a TFR over there.
Yes, Reno Air Races, I think. We've got RNAV, GPS, X-ray for 16 left. Take a look at that. NOTAM, 16 right's closed, okay, that's all we got. It looks like we've got an LPV on there, so that's pretty good. Only LPV is 734. And that's interesting too, the LNAV/VNAV actually takes you lower than the LPV. I haven't seen that before. I feel like it's usually the opposite. I haven't heard anything for a long time on the radio. I don't mind a little quietness though.
Seattle Center, Twin Cessna 86 Papa Delta, just a radio check.
Alright, 6 Papa Delta, you're loud and clear.
Okay, thanks. It was just getting a little quiet. 86 Papa Delta.
Not a bad,
Yeah, it's like...
somebody, we were flying yesterday morning and, I don't know, UPS or somebody, they did about the same thing and they were just like, it's getting a little lonely over here.
Yeah, no, good call on your part to just notice that,
I've not heard anything in like
haven't heard
5
anything.
minutes.
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, I was trying to say earlier, if we lose an engine at this altitude, there is no need to cram the throttles and,
Okay, yeah.
you know, try to maintain. We got so much altitude, we just declare an emergency right away and just leave everything as is, start descending at about 500, 600 feet per minute just to maintain airspeed.
Sure.
And just pull up the checklist for engine failure in flight. Let's go ahead and do that just for fun.
Okay.
So dead for dead. So we'll step on the ball, turn off the autopilot, step on the ball, close the throttle, operative engine adjust, and then AC and heater, we're just turn it off right away. Then we'll troubleshoot it. So fuel flow, we'll check the fuel flows. If fuel flow is deficient, then we can try the auxiliary pump on high.
Okay.
And maybe the engine-driven pump has failed, and that's going to just get us right back in. We'll check the fuel selectors. Check the fuel. Fuel quantity check. Engine instruments in the green. If we have low oil pressure on that engine that has failed, then we just need to go straight to shut it down. Magneto switches check on. Alternate air, we're going to pull out. Maybe we got an obstruction there.
Okay.
And then mixtures, we lean and richen. We're getting a little mountain wave right here, so we have a pretty good speed. I had the same thing the last time I flew to Vegas, is all of a sudden my indicated went down about 10 knots.
Oh.
And I got really nervous. Because I was like, what's wrong? And I was like, manifold pressure, good. Engine instruments in the green, everything good. And I'm looking at it, I'm like, wow, what is going on? My flaps, gear, why did my indicator just drop? 10 knots, right?
Sure.
I mean, if anything, we're supposed to be getting faster as we're going. We're burning fuel. And then I was like, this has to be mountain waves. And then lo and behold, a minute later, I'm going 10 knots above the predicted indicated speed. So, you know, you slow down and then you go faster.
Sure.
And you don't know it because you don't feel it in the yoke because autopilot's doing everything.
Reno Combo Airport HS Information Nebula. 13550. With Tom. Visibility 10. Your clouds Mach 12 south. 15 south Kenner. Fuel 20 south Road. Temperature niner. 2.97. Altimeter 3007.
Oakland Center, Twin Cessna 86 Papa Delta, request lower.
6 Papa Delta, descend via the Hartsville 1 arrival, Reno on 3007.
119 airpoint 2, November 86 Papa Delta. And we have India.
India.
NorCal approach, Twin Cessna 86 Papa Delta is descending via the star with India.
November 86 Papa Delta, NorCal approach, expect runway 16 left.
16 left, November 86 Papa Delta.
I can see why they want the airliners to maintain 1-2000 here.
Yep.
Alright, there's the boy.
The boy, and now we can go down to 7,800. Keep on going. 7,800, set and armed. We're on the RNAV. I'm assuming you see the runway. Oh no, you don't see the runway.
And log an approach.
I'm looking for traffic.
Yep.
Engine instruments in the green.
Looking good. 7,800.
Papa Delta, contact Reno Tower 118.7. Good day.
Contact tower, good day, November 86 Papa Delta.
36 Papa Delta, Reno Tower, good morning, with 080 runway 16 left, clear to land.
16 left, clear to land, November 86 Papa Delta.
Alright, glides a little bit below us. Boom.
Lap 15. Gear down.
Feel that.
Yeah, you know, it's a lot of drag. Gear down and locked. All lights on, synchro phasers off. Air conditioning off. Heater, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off.
Alright, you want to take controls?
Oh yeah, I got the control.
Your controls. Oh, that was good fun.
Good. Okay, and I'm flying the Pappy now.
Alright. Juliet coming up, no rush though.
36 Papa Delta, stay parking.
Stellar Aviation, November 86 Papa Delta.
36 Papa Delta, turn left to Juliet, contact ground point 9, good day.
Left on Juliet and ground point 9, good day, November 86 Papa Delta.
Papa Delta, Reno ground, taxi via Charlie.
Via Charlie, November 86 Papa Delta.
Hey, flight check 27, I'm showing Reno.
Yeah, you got the controls.
My controls.
So we are on Charlie now?
Charlie, India, November. Delay for 20 minutes, and then a delay at Lovelock, I think it is, for 45 minutes.